Welcome, friends. Welcome. So today I'm going to talk about one of the, some of the business ideas, two business ideas that has come across. Okay, because I frequently watch various opportunities, so that I can suggest my clients also. So that is the main purpose. Okay, so two business ideas that I have come across. Of that, one business idea is already there in place, but I'm just tweaking it here and there so that it will be more viable and more profitable. And another one is a very interesting one. Okay, you might have already heard about it. Okay, so let me start with that interesting and some fascinating one. And the first business idea is what we are having is we are facing the problem of literally rupturing Mother Nature, right? I mean, literally everywhere there is plastics. Everywhere. When there's a flood, as in recently for the last couple of years, we are facing flood every year. So during the flood, what happens is the sea water. It pulls out almost everything which we have thrown into the sea. Okay, so of that 90% of the things are plastic bottles and plastic covers and all those kind of things. And as you know, plastic is very dangerous, and many governments have banned it. Okay, but there is a limitation to it. There are some restrictions because we cannot live without complete plastics. We cannot have a plastic free life because we are using plastic for each and everything in our life. Okay, so instead of banning it completely, we need to find a solution, right? Because when you put the plastic bags into the nature, it takes 200-300 years to completely dissolve. The soil becomes unusable. So many problems are there. So as a businessman, don't you see there is an opportunity there? There is a big opportunity there. Yes, there is a big opportunity in the form of soluble bags, water soluble bags. That is just like you use any other plastic carry bags or laundry bags or garbage bags or plastic sheets. You can use this exactly like that. You can even use it as a cover when in the shopping malls and all. They pack it, They pack it and give the products. They can also use it. Okay, their name can be printed. It can be in different kinds of different colors as they want. You want like my orange, yellow, or green, or blue, or whatever it is. And only thing is that once it is used a couple of times, okay, there are two types of covers. One is that it will be soluble in cold water, and another one will be soluble in hot water. So you can just dump it. You can just put it in the water. It will dissolve in that. So you may be wondering, if it is so, this is also plastic, right? So just because it is soluble, is it not affecting the water quality? So many questions will come. Yes, this is not at all plastics. Okay, these are the things. These are things made from starches of potato, tapioca, and all those things. Okay, so this is completely biodegradable within no time. So no harm will happen to the Mother Nature also. We can protect Mother Nature, and in the meantime we can continue to use these plastic covers. I am saying plastic covers because it exactly looks like a plastic bag only. We cannot say goodbye to plastic bag because when we are going out, we'll just put it like this, and just like keeping our towel in our pocket, we will keep it in our pant pocket. So we'll just like that. We'll take like taking a knife. We'll take this covers and buy things and all. Right. So this is a very good opportunity, and I have come across two companies. Okay, when I was doing research on this, I have come across two companies in India. There are many companies from where you can import in from abroad also, and I know that China is one of the country where you can import. But anyway, I'm not a pro China guy. Okay, so we need to have our own facility. So the two companies that I was talking about is one is located in Coimbatore in southern India, and another one is located in Bangalore. Okay, so these companies are, they are selling almost everything. They are selling almost every kind of plastic bags. Okay, they sell it as a garbage bag. Okay, they sell it as a carry bag, and they sell it as sheets. All those things are there. Okay, of that one company is Greenplast India. Okay, Greenplast, again I am repeating, I have no connection with that company. Okay, Greenplast India is located in Coimbatore. Okay, you can type it out to get their address and other things, because it's a very good business opportunity, and it is www.greenplastindia.com. I am putting it in my in the comment box also, comment area also, so you can just take it from there. Okay, that is one company which is making such kind of bags, and in fact they are providing samples also. So you can, once you fill all the details and and they are giving agencies. They are giving agencies also, so you can get in you can get in touch with them and take details. Okay, so the next company is I told about Greenplast India, right? Greenplast I already told, and the next one is envigreen.in. Okay, envigreen.in. envigreen.in. This is located in Bangalore. Okay, their website address is also, I am giving you all the links and all those things, so you can take it. In fact, one of the surprising element is that the Municipal Corporation of Coimbatore has started selling these kind of bags. That's a very interesting thing, right? They have started selling these kind of bags, and that is a huge success. That's a really a massive success, and many people are buying it. Especially, as you all know, India is the only country in the world where the 65% of the population is less than 35 years of age. So the youth is more conscious about nature. Okay, they care about it. Okay, so there's a huge potential there, and there is huge potential in malls. There is huge potential in the shops where they, instead of carry bags, they can give this. Okay, so many areas there's a huge potential. So please get in, or if possible you can also get it from foreign countries also. Okay, so that is the idea number one. Okay, anyway, like I said, I am putting all those things in my comment box. Okay, so you can click that link and go there and talk to them. Okay, again I am repeating, I have no connection to them, and I am not in any way connected to them. Okay, I just come across and discussed with them, and came to know about all the details when I was researching. Okay, and the second project is medical tourism. Medical tourism, you would have already heard. Okay, the biggest advantage of this medical tourism is that there is not much investment required from your side. You are not doing any kind of investment. Most of the investment, maybe at the maximum, you will have to buy only some vehicles, couple of vehicles if required. In some cases, even that is not required. So medical tourism is another area where you can start business. So there are many medical tourism companies in India. Okay, here what I am saying is, you will take care of the patients and the bystanders from the time they board, the flight. Okay, and when they land there, from the moment they land there, you will take care of them, and you will take the hotels that where you are booking according to their convenience and according to their packages. So you can have a tie-up with some of the graded hospitals, okay, internationally graded hospitals, and you can talk to them and tell them that when I am bringing my patient, I need to have the priority. My patient should not be standing in queue for anything. Let it be for scanning, let it be for X-ray or for anything, blood test or whatever it is. My patient should not be standing in queue. They should be allowed directly in, and even to meet doctors also. So you can have a package. Okay, the instead of hospitals, you can have a complete package. Okay, where what will you do is, that is, this package will include even before they start. Okay, the moment you collect their medical reports and other things, after discussing with the doctor says that this requires a kind of surgery and they may have to stay here for 3 weeks or 4 weeks or something like that. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to ask the bystander what is his or her interest is. Because when my father was getting his knees operated, both knees were getting operated, we had done it in Coimbatore. Okay, so literally for 37 days we were in hospital. Myself and my wife, both of us were in hospital. We were changing ourselves. Okay, so it was most unproductive days in my case, because we cannot sit and do some work also. Okay, but the atmosphere, the ambience is also not that cool. Okay, not that great. The positivity will not be there. Okay, you'll be spending a lot of time and unable to do anything. Okay, so the same kind of problems will be there for any bystander. Okay, so what we do is, we ask these people what is their, I mean, the bystander, we ask bystanders their likes, dislikes, and what are their preferences, so many things. Where do you want to visit? Somebody says that I want to visit all the temples. Somebody will say I want to visit church or mosque. Okay, somebody will say that I will have to visit some forests, some hill stations. It all depends. Okay, so even before they start, after understanding their requirement and after analyzing for how many days or how many months they will have to be here, you will prepare a route map, a tour plan for them, for the bystander. And once they come in, okay, once they are into the hotel room, and you will take both of them to the hospital, and after meeting the doctor, okay, when the doctor asks them to get admitted, okay, instead of the bystander, you will arrange another person from your side to be a complete bystander for the patient. If it is maybe women or men, it depends on. Okay, and you can take bystander and you can give them whatever is required to visit all those places they wanted to visit, and whatever they wanted to do. Okay, help them out, and they need not be worried about anything. So they need to come back only once this is over, or in between they want to come, that is different. They can come back and they can plan another trip to another destination. All those things they can plan. Okay, so you will ensure that the bystander is completely kept happy. Okay, and once this is over, okay, so you will work out on a package, that is plan A, plan B, plan C. That is package number 1, package number 2, package number 3, depending on their ability to manage their finances. It may be 50 lakhs package, it may be 30 lakhs package, it may be 20 lakhs package, depending on their ability to pay. Okay, depending on their financial constraints and all those things. And the areas where you can concentrate is US, Africa, Maldives. Yeah, US, UK, Africa, and Maldives are the areas where you can concentrate, and you can concentrate in Bangalore, Cochin, Coimbatore as the hospital areas. Okay, and now you will be wondering how to get all those clients. Yes, initially it is a bit difficult. You may have to use the platforms like social medias, or your connections. You may have to take memberships in various organizations like Lions or Rotary or JCI, JCOM, so many things. Okay, BNI, something like that. You have to take membership there. Okay, and using that connections, okay, you can share your credentials, share your details, and all those things there. Through that, once you start getting 2 or 3 customers, okay, you have to ensure their video testimonial is taken with their permission. Okay, and when the 4th person asks, you need to simply send this testimonial to them, and you need to have a very good website also. Okay, very good website, not an e-commerce website. Okay, a good website in the range of 15 to 20,000 rupees, you can get a very good website done. Okay, we can add all those testimonials and share it with those people, and then each and everyone comes from different countries, their testimonials will be there. So this is overall business plan, where if you act smartly, that is instead of arranging hotel, instead of booking hotels and all, if you are already having after the initial income generation, okay, you can shift from hotels to the clubs and all those, where you can have memberships in clubs. So when they comes, they can stay in as your guest in the club, so the cost will be less and they will get a very good ambience also. So all those things, if you plan it, you have a very good scope for a huge margin there. Yeah, a huge margin there. In case anything happens to the patient, that also we need to consider, right? In case if anything happens to the patient, you have to ensure that the patient, the cremation is done, either they allow it to be done properly in India itself, or they want that to be taken back to the the country of origin. You need to arrange for the embalming and all those things, paperwork, clear paperwork, and ensure that they are reaching there safely, that the bystander is also reaching there safely, and you need to keep on following up. You need to have very good rapport with all those people. So these two are the good business ideas that I am telling. So wherever there are chances for you to get references, I will be putting it in my comment box in YouTube, so you can go through that and decide accordingly. Okay, both of them are very good plans. Okay, you can just think it over, prepare detailed business plan. In case you need any further details, please WhatsApp me in this number that I have given you. Okay, you can send a voice message also, and that will help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the long video, because this is very important. Okay, thank you.